Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, October 21st, and we are looking at Window Traders Market Profile, a SPY IWMN triple Qs, and for the most part, we've been trading the ES and SPY, Qs and NQs have been trading right at yesterday's lower range, as you can see, a good part of the morning. Russell, righty, have been trading right in the middle of their single prints. Remember, they had a double distribution day yesterday. So sellers are attempting to bring the daily into balance in SPY and ES. For them to do that, they do need to take out yesterday's low. Like I said yesterday, I think it would be healthy. I have no problem filling yesterday's gap or even the gap from the 19th at some point and getting a balance of 3 or 4 days before they attempt to go to the top of the balance again and take out the all-time high. Remember, a lot of things in play here. Balance rules are in effect. We got to within $1.30, $1.40 of the all-time high. Now, obviously, one part of the balance rules is you get close to the top of a balance, don't get it, and rotate to the bottom. Bulls certainly don't want to do that because at the bottom of the balance is this month's low back at 426 and change. But I don't think it would be unhealthy to shake out some of these week longs from the last 2 days or so, balance out, get new reinforcements, and then go and make their attempt to get through the top. The one thing you don't want to do is eventually take out a weekly low. If you do that, then there's good odds of going back to the bottom of the balance. As far as destinations, just going to give you the overnights. The upside overnight high right now is 452.75, and the downside is 450.75, so exactly a $2 range. Now, if we do gap lower, yesterday's low would be an upside destination, right? 451.01. And the point of control, 11 wide, which was going to be a downside destination, is now an upside. It's amazing how these wide pocs go on the other side. Remember, we have that 11 wide from way back. That was a upside destination, became a downside. Now it's $8 low. It still hasn't been hit. As far as a game plan for this morning, this gap isn't that big. So if we open close to yesterday's low and then take out yesterday's low, I would probably take a put play just to go fill it. It's only about 30 cents and see what they want to get out of it. We have a 9 wide POC from the 19th. We have an 11 wide POC from the 20th. There's good odds we might hit both of those. But if we ought to take out yesterday's low, now again, there's 75 minutes to go. If we gap lower inside of M's range from the 19th, then it depends on how far down we are. If we're near the POC, I'm not looking to take a put play. But if we do fill the gap on a gap down, I would take a short and use, obviously, A's low as my out from yesterday if we get accepted back into yesterday's range. But if we do open at the bottom of the range, take out A's low, I would jump on a short to go fill the gap and see if they get acceptance into M's range to go down to POC. Is there a call play right here? Well, look, we are one time framing up in the daily, but it will be with lower value you're opening with. Do you want to take a long against yesterday's low if we open right at the base of it? You can, but I would be out, obviously, if you get accepted below yesterday's range. We've had either overlap in a high or higher value so far all week. Volume's been horrific as we've gone higher. So again, I think it would be good to do a little bit of some consolidating. And then just quickly on the daily chart, because that's the one we need to focus on. We're one time framing up 2 days out of an outside day up. We have 4 gaps. We're attempting to possibly take back 1. Wouldn't be unhealthy to take back 2. Maybe get into this day's range from the 18th a little bit and then balance sideways for a 3 or 4 day balance and then go back up. That would be the best scenario for the bulls. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.